Question number 2 says that following data on number of girls to the nearest 10 per thousand boys in different sections of Indian society is given below. So we have been given with different sections of Indian society like scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, non-SC/ST, backward districts, non-backward districts, rural and urban. And with each of these sections, we have been given with number of girls per thousand boys. We have to represent the information above by a bar graph, and in the classroom discuss what conclusions can be arrived at from the graph. So we will start solving this problem by first representing the given information by a bar graph, and a bar graph will look like this. So in this given bar graph which we have drawn, we can see that we have represented the different sections of Indian society on the x-axis and the number of girls per thousand boys on the y-axis. We have chosen a scale of 1 unit being equal to 100 girls on the y-axis. We've also maintained equal widths for each of the bars, and we have maintained equal gaps between them. Now, as we can see from this bar graph representation, we observe that the number of girls per thousand boy is highest for the ST category, which is this. So this is the highest. Also, what we can observe is that the number of given girls per thousand boys are higher in rural area than in urban area. Also, the number of given girls per thousand boys is also higher in backward districts than the non-backward districts. And if we can see, the number of girls per thousand boys is lowest for the urban section. Now, we can see from this bar graph that the variation in value occur mostly in the range of 900 and above, which is this. So there is not much of variation in the values in the class 900 and below. So what we can do is to make variations more visible and distinct, and for a better study of the graph, we can keep the starting values on the y-axis as 900 with a scale of 1 unit to be equal to 10 and reconstruct the graph, and the graph will look like this. So in this graph we can see that there is a kink or a break which tells us that the values do not start from 0 but they start from 900. Now we can see a better variation in the different bars as was not seen in the first bar graph that we had. So this is how we solve this question, and the second bar graph gives us a better visual representation of the different variations that can be seen in the number of girls per thousand boys in different sections of Indian society.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.